Hello everyone, welcome to Enchanting Lights. Today's project is all about 3D decoupage. I'll be showing you how to decoupage on this smartwatch box which I'm having. Just thought of giving it a makeover. So I have chosen this box to decoupage, then a tissue napkin, a scissor, a brush, acrylic colors. It's a punch craft tool which I'll be using for giving a 3D look and Mod Podge. So now let's start with the video. So at first I'll be painting this box with white acrylic color. I'm covering the entire top portion of the box. Don't worry about this print of the watch which is there. I'll be giving a second coat as well, and that will hide this picture of the watch. So this way I have completed one coat. I'll give one more coat and show how it looks. I have finished giving two coats to this box, and I have cut these butterfly designs till the edges, and now I'll stick one design on this box. So first of all, I'll apply Mod Podge like this. I have separated the two layers from this butterfly, and gently I'll be just sticking the butterfly on this box. Paper napkins are very delicate, so be very careful while pasting them on any of your medium on which you're working. Now I will allow this one coat of Mod Podge to dry, and then we'll proceed further. Now till the time our box is drying up, I have taken this cardstock paper and I'll just apply a good coat of Mod Podge to this as well. And I'll stick this butterfly. The reason why I have used cardstock over here is our paper napkin is very thin. So we need a thick base for giving a 3D look to our design, because I'm not using pattern paper here, which is a bit thicker as compared to your tissue napkin. So that's the reason I've stuck it on this cardstock, and it will be easier for me to just give the shapes. So that's the reason it's used here. Now we'll have to let this dry as well, and then we will cut it from the edges. Now I'll start covering the empty portion of this box with the pink color. I'm using a sponge here. Make sure you don't cover the design. Oops. No problem, I'll rectify it. Yeah. So now just completing this process. Now I'm just decorating my edges. I'm keeping it simple, just making polka dots. They look equally gorgeous because pink and white make a very nice combination. So just thought of giving the polka dots in white color. You can also use stencils on this. You can use stamps, but I just thought of using this acrylic paint and make dots. So I'll complete these dots on the all four edges of our box and we'll proceed towards our final step. Now I have cut this another piece earlier and I've stuck it on a cardstock paper like this. So it's time to give it a 3D look. So I'm just keeping it upside down and with the help of our Punchcraft tool I'm just pressing it so that we need a nice curve shape for our butterfly. Press it from all the sides. You can see a nice curve shape is forming, which was initially a straight shape and now it's in curvature. You have to press it really nice to get this shape. So as you can see, this is the shape, nice curvature shape. Now let's take our box. I'm taking hot glue gun here. And just apply hot glue gun on the edges of our butterfly. Now let's take our butterfly and stick it on this butterfly where we have applied hot glue gun. So I have made polka dots on the top portion as well with the help of white acrylic color, and this is how our 3D box looks like. Thank you.